Another type of diet we can address is vegan diets or meat-free. So meat's an interesting thing. On one hand, if you've got spiritual beliefs or other reasons to not eat meat, we respect that, and that's a different reason for being vegan, and you need to follow that because that's your passion and belief system, and it'll feed you in the right way. Make sure you get enough roughage, and make sure you get enough vegetable proteins in a combination and variety of colors and food groups. If you're not vegan and you choose to eat meats aren't bad themselves. Actually, the kind of protein you get, the density of protein in something like lamb with the natural fats, that is absolutely brilliant. In a stew or cooked up as a bone broth, it can support your bone marrow and production of immune cells immensely. It can give you energy. I've seen people in a very lethargic and weakened state that start having bone broths and good nourishing food and change to a mixture of carbohydrates that are slow release and some good types of meats, and they thrive. For the right kind of person in the right kind of state. The quality of meat is very important. If you have wild caught salmon, for instance, or small open ocean caught sardines free from heavy metals, much better. If you have grass-fed meats or organic lambs, things like that, you have what's called conjugated linolenic acid in the meats, which prevents certain inflammatory processes. You also have a lot less hormones or antibiotics that we found in the mass commercialized produced farmed animals. So choose your meats carefully. Wild game is quite good. Grass-fed meats, organic, is also brilliant. And again, as much meat as you can handle in terms of small good portions that fulfill you. A lot of people struggle with the density of meat when you feel quite sick, but it's important to get just a little bit down. On the other hand, you may be going totally wild with meat. Too much meat causes a lot of damage in the system and can cause acidity. A little bit of meat can actually reverse acidity and strengthen the system.